Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be coding a wordle game in Java. So, yeah. So first things first, let's just start out by importing scanner, because obviously we're gonna want to take user input. Obviously to get the user's guess for what the word is, we're gonna need that. Then let's go ahead and make our class here. So wordle. And then just make the main method. Yeah, so pretty normal start, So yeah, so I'm assuming we're probably gonna need to have like a list of words. I don't think it's necessary to use an array list, so let's just make a normal list. It's probably easier to just make a normal list anyway. For now, we'll just put in basic, like five letter words, just to get it started. I don't know. Yeah, so those are just some basic words, just to get us started with coding the game. And you know what? Maybe we should make this a little bit bigger, just so you guys could see it a little better. I don't know. So let's go ahead and keep working on this here. So what else do we want here? Well, this is a pretty solid start. We got our word list, and you know what? Actually, we should probably define this at a class level, because we might actually want that later on. But for now, this is pretty good. And then we're gonna want to select our word, I would assume. This would probably be done every time we start the program. So let's say string word equals words, and then let's say math.random times words.length, just in case we want to add more words. And we're gonna want to make that an integer. So cool. Should be like that. Is that not? Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Is it not supposed? Does the caps matter? Wow, it does matter. Okay. So yeah, so this should pick a random word from the words list here, and yeah, that's good. So now I guess in the main method, maybe it's not like we're making like. Let's just go like that. All right. Next. Let's go ahead and make a while loop. I guess this will be our game loop. So I guess while guess is not equal to word, and we're gonna have to now define guess. So yeah, so that's looking good, looking dandy. So now yeah, let's make our scanner now. We'll just say scanner input equals new scanner system.in. Some pretty basic stuff. And then yeah, that we can get guessing now. Let's get guessing. Woo. Okay. Yeah. So we'll start by saying system.out.println. You have let's make the guesses variable int guesses, or just call it g. Int g equals 6. you have plus G plus guesses remaining, right? Okay, and then G is greater than 0. Okay, so now what we're gonna want to do is actually start receiving guesses here. So let's say guess equals input dot next line. So that will give us a guess. Then we're gonna want to, I guess we should probably make a for loop here, because we're gonna want to compare each character with every character in the list, right? So int I equals 0, or not every character in the list, I mean every character in the word. We're gonna want to, so if you're not hearing what I'm saying, like, we're gonna want to compare each character in guess with each character in word, so we could see, you know, like, yeah, you got it, yeah. Well, first we should probably check. Wait, is continue in this? Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm a Python coder. If guess is not equal to, or if guess dot length is not equal to 5, or no, yeah, 5, right? Yeah. Is not equal to 5, then we're just gonna say system.out.println must be 5 characters. And then we're gonna continue, right? So yeah. And that's just so they don't have like a word that's too long or too short. And here is, we're gonna go back to the loop we were making to compare the characters. So basically what we're gonna do is if word dot or guess dot char at I. Now, okay, I guess we have to do 2 for loops here. So yeah, we'll just fix that real quick. We have to do 2 for loops. So if guess.char at I equals guess.char at j. Well, I guess we'll want to formulate like a string to print, or we could, you know, we could just print. So we could say like system.out.print. So let's say like, so if they're correct, like at the spot where it is, we'll want to say y, I guess. This might seem a little confusing right now. You know, let me run this and just see how this works so far. Why is it why the fuck is it like that? All right, so if 6 guesses remaining, so it's either one of these 5 words. Let's just type. I mean, O is the most common. See, like, let's just put, like, it doesn't matter. So okay. Now that's I don't think that's supposed to happen. That's not very good. Well, I suppose we did it wrong. I think we probably did something wrong. Well, let's figure this out, guys. All right, let's figure this out. We should probably remove the space so it's like aligned first of all, and also so I equals 0, I is less than word dot length. So I plus plus j is equal to 0, j is less than word dot. So this is 5. So this is running 25 times, and then this I. So 0 equals this 0. So it's compares that. Then it goes up here. Then it compares that. So it's running 25 times. But we don't want it to print. Well, so we should break from this for loop after we get a result. So we print the y, then we want to break from this for loop. That way this like repetition error doesn't happen. And you know what, let's just comment this out for now. Let's just make this a lot simpler. We'll set the word strictly to hello for testing purposes. And let's try and run this now. And this is still running. How do I stop this? How the fuck do I stop this? It's an infinite loop, bro. It's still running. Alright, we're good. So, okay, so this is 5 y's. Now, obviously, that is also not right. We could... I just don't understand where these 5 y's are coming from here, because it's supposed to break. So like the h in hello, so like when this iterates to 1, then it should be scanning the e, right? So then that should actually be a y there. The first 2 should be y's, and then after that it's n. So it goes to 2. And then there will be no results for the first 2, and then the third one there's still no results. So after h and e, nothing should be getting printed. So I don't know how it's printing 5 things. It's a little confusing. I equals 0. I is less than word dot length. Like yeah, this is 5. It's 5. I plus plus. So like I have to be like going over things multiple times. If guess dot char at I equals guess dot. Are you fucking kidding me? Holy fuck, dude. Okay, so yeah, this is right now. So as you can see, there's 3 y's. Cause the o at the end. Yeah, so we're good now. That was just really dumb of me. Whatever. So yeah, that's that. And then we go hey. Okay, so we could say now. So here's the thing. This here, so for this one, we want to add another conditional here. So this is for if the word has it at all, right? But we want to make sure. So this should be like this, basically, is what I'm saying. This one should be like this, and then we're gonna make another one, which is like that one, but it's J. Because if you know how wordle works, this will make sense if you're following. And then, so y means yes. So, I guess we'll go with C. So like y is like yes, it's there. C is like close. And then obviously, I think we'll just do X, like just, yeah. I mean, I don't really think I have to fucking explain that. But we only want to do X, if this breaks. So we'll make a boolean called did break equals, well, we'll set it to false, and then did break equals true. And then, or we can honestly just redefine this after every loop, right? Did break equals false. And yeah, that's good. So we could say if not did break, which means they didn't break and it ran through everything, then what we're gonna want to do here is we're gonna system.out.print X. So that means that's wrong. So that means that character isn't in the word at all. And just so you guys can see what I mean, if we run this now, we say hento. So yeah, yeah, that's perfect. But I want to try a different example where it's like in a different order. So let's say HOEMN, like, so you could see now this is saying close, this is saying close, this is in the right spot, and these two are wrong. So yeah, we got the basic system down for Wordle right here, which that's great. That's what we want, obviously, because we're fucking coding the game, right? So yeah, that's good. Making some moves here, you know, you feel. All right, but yeah. So yeah, after these for loops, that's all the testing for that guess. And then what we're gonna want to do is basically say G minus minus, because the guesses obviously are gonna go down. And we're gonna then print this again. And I think that should be it here. So yeah, I think this is a basic Wordle we got going. So the word's obviously hello, we know that. Let's just try like poem. Oh yeah. Just to format this a little better, let's put /n here. And now let's print this. So poem. Yep. So it says yes, close, close, XX. All right. Well, now if we say hello, it's all Y's. And we should probably put dot equals instead of equals equals, because that's probably why that's not working. So what? It's what? Why is it not working? Oh, well, this should be like this. Okay, now let's try this. So let's say poem again. So yeah, this is yes, close, close, no, no. So okay, let's try hello now. And yeah, the program closes. Now we probably want to put this at the front just because it doesn't look that good. Let me just remove this one. No point in having that there. Just remove G at the top here. Or should we, where should we put G? Because like if you get it right, your guess goes down to 0, you're gonna break out of the loop, right? Okay, so we'll say if guess dot equals word system dot out dot print line, you guessed it, good job. And then else, which means you were wrong, system dot out dot print line, you failed, the word was, and then you just add the word. And yeah, that's a basic Wordle. I can't check the lines of code on this program, but I'm sure it's not many. Obviously, like, you can obviously input words here that aren't actual words, and what you can do to fix that is by making sure the word is in the word list via just a linear search. But you're gonna need to obviously have a longer word list than 5 words if you're gonna make it so it's accurate to an English dictionary level. But yeah, let's just try it. You have 6 guesses remaining. Hoem, yeah, then hello. You did it, good job. And I guess we should probably add /n in front of this too. And yeah, that's really it. Let's uncomment this actually, just so we have some randomness in here. So let's go like crane. I heard that's a good start. So we have R and E. So those are in the right spot. What words that I don't even remember what words I put. So let's actually, should I play this out? Let's see. What words did what has an R and E that I put in? I actually don't know. What? Wait, what did I put it? Okay. Like, I'm checking. Broke, bro. Why did I put that? All right, let's get it wrong and see if it works. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it.